After you have unzipped a file, you will receive a folder named Qt. Inside the folder are files that will be used in Vtube Studio. Now, right-click and copy this folder. Open Vtube Studio. Double-click to open a toolbar on the left side of the screen. Choose the first icon at the top. Click Import your own model. Click Open Folder and paste the Qt folder that we copied earlier. Click OK. Click on the top icon. You will see an icon for the Qt model appear. If there is any pop-up that mentions Auto Setup, please click on the Auto Setup option for this model. Proceed to the Expression section. Double-click and press on the pink icon. Select the far right icon at the top of the screen. There are two expressions that have been set up: flower on and wings only. This is the hotkey used for changing the idle animation of this model. For this one, it is a flower expression. The hotkey for this is number 1. This one is the same as the previous one, but only has wings. The hotkey for this is number 2. Press 2 to make the flower disappear. Press 1 to make the flower appear again. This is what happens when we command an expression to change the idle animation. In case you want to change a hotkey for each expression, click here to choose from a list. Or click Rec to directly set it by pressing on your keyboard. Move on to customizing the color of this model. Click on the pink icon, and then click the third one from the left at the top of the screen. Click Customize Model and choose the fourth option. Now, you can click on any part of this model to play around with color. To change the color of each part, you need to activate it by clicking on a switch, making it turn blue. Now, it's time for your creativity. When you are done, click OK. Let's set up an expression. Name this expression. Choose an Art Mesh color preset. Set up your hotkey. And now it's done. Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in this model, please visit my shop on Etsy. The link is in the description. If you have any questions or encounter any issues, please send me a message, and I will try my best to help you. Bye-bye.